Here I am at the Kanga Pie Store downtown Toronto with Erin and Megan, the two owners and visionaries. So ladies, tell me, what inspired you to bring Aussie meat pies to Toronto?
Well, we both lived in Australia. I used to live in Brisbane. Erin lived in Melbourne for a little while, and we ate so many delicious meat pies over there, and they were different than Canadian pies. They had a flaky pastry on top, lots of gravy inside, and most importantly, they were handheld, so you could get them everywhere. Like, we'd go to rugby games, and instead of having hot dogs, they had meat pies in the stands.
Oh, that's so cool. It's like on Jeopardy, potent potables.
Exactly.
Or potable potals.
So we came home and they didn't have them here.
Oh.
Devastation, devastation.
Oh, absolutely. Tummy grumbling all the time. So now this is an anniversary, a very special one. And how many years have you been here?
This is our second birthday.
Woohoo! So isn't the second year, it's meat pie. Was it paper for 10, 5 years it's something, but definitely Aussie meat pies for 2.
Yeah.
So tell us, you're introducing a different pie today, a new one, right?
Yes, it's the pepper steak pie. So it's really nice, big, tender chunks of beef with a beautiful, peppery, punch-in-your-face gravy.
Wow. And I've just enjoyed 2 pies, the traditional one and then the pepper steak. It's all about the pastry. Can you tell me about the pastry and why it's so good?
Well, it's an all butter crust, so it's an all butter puff pastry on top. It takes a long time to make it. Put a lot of care into it. So butter is the secret. I mean, is butter really a secret? Everybody loves butter. It's really got that nice flaky texture.
So you can't be eating a lot of pies because you're so slim and trim and healthy.
Oh, share. I also just ate a pie, so.
Oh, fantastic.
Pies are very wholesome.
So just tell all my readers and viewers where exactly Kanga is. What's the address?
Kanga is at 65 Duncan Street, and it's very close to Osgoode subway station, close to the corner of Queen and University in Toronto.
Fantastic. And the website is?
eatkanga.com. So eat like E-A-T, Kanga like kangaroo.com.
Fantastic. So I'm going to give you a big cooey as congratulations. So join me.